Hi, welcome to Step Guard Bathroom Renovation Installation Series. Featuring rigid composite board, our SPC wall panels from Fast Panel Collection can be easily used in the bathrooms and wet room shower areas as well. For a faster and easier installation, we use Lin tongue and groove click system to provide you with a waterproof finish. To deliver a complete wall panel system and help to give a seamless look to the entire space, different types of profiles are available to choose from. End cap, internal corner profile, external corner profile. And make sure all the tools required are available. Basically, there are three types of adhesive you are going to use, which is structural adhesive, waterproof silicone adhesive, and double-sided construction PE or EVA foam tape. Before you start the installation, don't forget to read the installation and maintenance guidelines. Be sure to acclimate the panel to the climate-controlled environment by laying flat in the room for at least 24 hours. Inspect wall panels and profiles for any color differences, flaws, defects, or damage. All types of back walls should be level and plumb. If it fails to meet the requirement, necessary measures should be taken to even out the wall. Step Guard Bathroom SPC wall panels can be applied on different types of back walls which are level and plumb. Tiles, wooden studs, OSB strips, or OSB board, plaster, sheetrock, or green board. Be aware, the back wall needs to be reinforced when installing heavy objects. To ensure the wall panels are properly bonded, all the surfaces must be clean, dry, and free from dirt, debris, voids, or other defects. Once your back wall is clean and level, you can begin the installation. It is recommended to install the internal corner first and then extend to the larger area. Or you can choose to start from left to right or from any large space to ensure a perfect whole look at the focal point. In this video, we're going to demonstrate the installation process starting from the internal corner of the shower area. You may still need to adjust the width of your last and maybe first panel to avoid each one becoming too narrow. Measure the length of the wall and divide it by the width of the wall panel. Calculate the width of the last panel. If the last panel is going to be less than half of the width of the panel, you might want to trim from both sides of them. Measure the height of the installation area from the top of the shower tray or bathtub to the height you desire, making sure the top of the wall panel is straight and lined up. Use a circular saw to cut the panel and trim to size accordingly if needed. If using a utility knife, you need to score the straight line several times and make the cut. Apply construction-grade structural adhesive to the backside of the corner trim and fit the profile onto the wall. And for wall panels with better bonding and longer lifespan, you should clean the surface and edges and apply structural adhesive and tape in strips and dots in a certain way. When all is ready, fill the gap with adhesive and carefully push the cut edge into the trim, and then fit the sidewall panel onto the wall. Make sure the panel is level and plumb. Follow the same adhesive solution and carefully push the cut edge into the internal corner profile and then fit the back wall panel onto the wall. Use the rubber mallet to gently tap the panel for better bonding between the panel and the wall. Please note, all the panels need to be clicked together with the tongue side inserted into the groove. If you have other accessories need to install, drill the hole on the wall panel first, then install and apply adhesive on the cut edges. Repeat the same adhesive application method and attach the internal corner profile to the cutting edge of the back wall panel. For niche, measure the niche, leave the mark on the panel, and cut out the hole. Apply adhesive on the cut edges and the surface edge to attach it. And you use the external corner profile to connect two panels on the protruding area in the same way of installation. Don't forget to seal the gap with waterproof structural adhesive or silicone. Continue the installation to finish the rest. For window areas, measure, mark, and cut the panels accordingly. You can use the end cap to finish the edge and create a seamless look around the window. Seal the gap with adhesive. Follow the same rules while installing around the door. Don't forget to seal the gap with waterproof structural adhesive or silicone. That's all to have a stunning bathroom makeover with our SPC wall panels. Keep the entire area dry, sealer dry, and wall panel completely fixed before putting into use. Made for a hassle-free life, StepGuard SPC wall tiles are easy to install and maintain. It is time to panel a new wall and refresh your style.